Making homemade soap can be a fun and rewarding project. However, it's important to follow safety guidelines and proper procedures to ensure that the soap is safe to use. Here's a step-by-step guide to making homemade soap. Materials: 500 grams of coconut oil, 500 grams of olive oil, 400 grams of water, 161 grams of lye, sodium hydroxide, essential oils or fragrance oils, optional, soap molds, safety goggles, rubber gloves, stainless steel or heat-resistant plastic mixing bowl, stainless steel or heat-resistant plastic spoon, digital kitchen scale, thermometer. Weigh a coconut oil and olive oil using a digital kitchen scale and place them in a mixing bowl. In a separate container, weigh the water and set it aside. Wearing safety goggles and rubber gloves, carefully measure the lye and slowly pour it into the water, stirring constantly until it is completely dissolved. The mixture will heat up and release fumes, so it's important to work in a well-ventilated area. Wait for the lye mixture to cool down to around 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, then slowly pour it into the mixing bowl with the oils, stirring constantly with a stainless steel or heat-resistant plastic spoon. Continue stirring the mixture until it reaches trace, which is the point where the oils and lye have fully emulsified and the mixture has thickened to the consistency of pudding. If desired, add essential oils or fragrance oils to the mixture and stir until fully incorporated. Pour the soap mixture into soap molds, tapping the molds gently on a hard surface to remove any air bubbles. Cover the molds with plastic wrap or a towel and let the soap sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours to allow it to harden. Once the soap has hardened, remove it from the molds and cut it into bars using a sharp knife. Let the soap cure for 4 to 6 weeks in a cool, dry place, turning the bars over every few days to ensure even drying. After the curing process, your homemade soap is ready to use. Note: it's important to be precise with your measurements and follow the safety guidelines when making soap, as lye can be dangerous if mishandled. Make sure to wear protective gear and work in a well-ventilated area.